The Graco SlimFit car seat is designed to grow with your child, transitioning from a harness car seat into a belt positioning booster when your child is ready. Converting it to booster mode allows the vehicle's seatbelt to secure your child safely while still providing the support and positioning features of the car seat. Before making the change, it's important to ensure your child meets the recommended height and weight requirements. Once confirmed, the conversion process is straightforward and only takes a few adjustments to prepare the seat for booster use. Try these. Step 1. Remove the car seat from the vehicle and loosen the internal harness straps completely. Step 2. Detach and store the 5-point harness system according to the seat's storage instructions. Step 3. Adjust the headrest and backrest height so it aligns properly with your child's shoulders. Step 4. Reinstall the seat in the vehicle using the vehicle seatbelt or latch system if supported. Step 5. Position your child in the seat and secure them using the vehicle's lap and shoulder belt for booster mode.